Your car is trying to talk to you. Every squeak, every rattle, every grinding noise you hear, that's your car screaming for help. But most people, they just turn up the radio, ignore it, hope it goes away. And then one day, they're stuck on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck, staring at a repair bill that costs more than their rent. Here's the thing. Your car gives you warnings, sometimes weeks before a major failure, sometimes months. If you know what to listen for, you can catch small problems before they become wallet-destroying disasters. Today, I'm going to play you 9 sounds, 9 warning signs your car makes before something breaks down. And pay close attention to number 7, because that sound, most people think it's normal, but it means your engine is slowly dying. Let's get into it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to JourneyAuto. This is the channel where we help you understand your car, save money on repairs, and avoid getting ripped off. Now, today's video is a little different. I'm going to describe sounds, give you examples, and tell you exactly what each one means. Some of these sounds are urgent, like pull over right now urgent. Others give you some time, a few weeks maybe, but you still need to act. The key is knowing which is which. So whether you're watching this because your car is making a weird noise right now, or you just want to be prepared for the future, this video might just save you thousands of dollars. All right, let's start with sound number 1. Sound number 1, a high-pitched squealing noise right when you start your car. You turn the key, engine fires up, and then you hear it. Eeeeee! That loud screeching sound that lasts for a few seconds, maybe longer. So what is it? 9 times out of 10, that's your serpentine belt, also called the drive belt. This belt connects your engine to a bunch of important stuff: your alternator, power steering pump, air conditioning compressor, sometimes even your water pump. When the belt gets old, it starts to crack, gets glazed, loses its grip, and when it slips, it squeals. Now here's the thing, a squealing belt isn't an emergency today, but if you ignore it long enough, that belt will snap. And when it does, you lose power steering. Your battery dies because the alternator stops charging. Your engine can overheat if the water pump is on that belt. Suddenly, you're stranded, and a $20 belt replacement turns into a $500 tow plus emergency repairs. The fix is cheap, usually under $100 including labor. Don't wait until it breaks. If your car screams at you every morning, listen to it. Sound number 2. A grinding noise when you press the brakes. This one is serious, so pay attention. You're driving along, you tap the brakes, and instead of a smooth, quiet stop, you hear this: grrr, metal on metal grinding. What's happening? Your brake pads are gone. See, brake pads have this friction material that grabs the rotor to slow you down. When that material wears away, you're left with the metal backing plate, and now metal is grinding against metal. This is bad for 2 reasons. First, your braking power is reduced. You might not be able to stop in time when you need to. Second, you're destroying your rotors, those big metal discs behind your wheels. And rotors are expensive. What could have been a $150 brake pad replacement now becomes a $500 brake job, pads plus rotors. And if you keep driving, you could damage the calipers too. Now you're looking at $1,000 plus. Here's the rule. If your brakes grind, don't drive that car until you get them fixed. This is a safety issue, not just a money issue. Sound number 3, a clicking or popping noise when you turn. You're pulling out of a parking space, making a U-turn, or just turning at an intersection, and you hear it. Click, 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 click. Gets faster when you turn sharper, louder when you accelerate through the turn. This is almost always a bad CV joint. CV stands for constant velocity. These joints connect your transmission to your wheels, and they let your wheels turn and move up and down at the same time. They're covered by these rubber boots, little accordion-looking covers filled with grease. When the boot cracks, grease leaks out, dirt gets in, the joint wears out, and once it's worn, it clicks. Now the good news, a clicking CV joint won't leave you stranded immediately. You've usually got some time. The bad news, if you wait too long, the joint can fail completely, and when that happens, your wheel can literally separate from the car. I've seen it happen. The car just drops, middle of the highway. Fix it early. A CV axle replacement runs $200 to $400, way cheaper than an accident. Sound number 4, a humming or whining noise that gets louder the faster you drive. You're cruising on the highway and there's this constant hum in the background. At first you think it's the road, maybe rough pavement, but then you notice it happens on every road and it gets louder when you speed up. This is typically a wheel bearing going bad. Wheel bearings let your wheels spin smoothly. When they wear out, metal starts rubbing and you get that humming drone. Here's how to test it. Next time you're on an empty road, gently swerve left and right. If the noise changes, gets louder when you turn one way, quieter the other, that tells you which side the bad bearing is on. Now, when you turn right, weight shifts to the left side. If the noise gets louder, your left wheel bearing is probably shot. Now, like the CV joint, a bad wheel bearing gives you some warning time, but don't push it. If the bearing fails completely, the wheel can lock up, or worse, come off entirely. Replacement usually runs $200 to $400 per wheel. Not fun, but way better than losing control on the freeway. Sound number 5, a hissing sound coming from under your hood. You park your car, turn it off, and you hear this sss sound. Or maybe you hear it while driving with the windows down. This one has a few possible causes, and none of them are good. Possibility number 1, coolant leak. If coolant is leaking on a hot engine part, it hisses as it evaporates. You might also see steam or notice a sweet smell. This needs immediate attention, because if you're losing coolant, your engine can overheat, and overheating kills engines fast. Possibility number 2, vacuum leak. Your engine uses vacuum pressure for various systems. If there's a crack in a hose or gasket, air leaks in, creates a hissing noise. Vacuum leaks cause rough idle, poor gas mileage, and can trigger check engine lights. Possibility number 3, AC refrigerant leak. If you hear hissing from the dash or engine bay when the AC runs, you might be losing refrigerant. The bottom line, hissing means something is escaping. Air, fluid, pressure. Don't ignore it. Get it checked. Sound number 6, a rattling noise coming from underneath your car. You're driving along and there's this annoying rattle. Sounds like something is loose down there, bouncing around. Could be a few things. Most common, a loose heat shield. Your exhaust system has these thin metal shields that protect other parts from heat. Over time, the bolts rust, the shields come loose, and they rattle like crazy. The good news, this isn't dangerous. It's just annoying. A mechanic can tighten it or remove it, sometimes under $50. But here's where it gets serious. If the rattle sounds more like rocks shaking inside a metal container, that could be your catalytic converter breaking apart internally. The honeycomb structure inside can deteriorate, break into pieces, and rattle around. This restricts exhaust flow, hurts performance, triggers check engine lights, and a new catalytic converter, depending on your car, can cost $1,000 to $3,000. Also check for loose exhaust clamps, dragging components, or anything that might have come loose and is bouncing around. Rattles are usually cheap fixes, but identifying the source is key. Sound number 7, and this is the big one I warned you about, a knocking or pinging sound coming from your engine, especially when you accelerate. You press the gas and you hear it, ping, 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 like marbles tapping inside the engine. Most people ignore this. They think it's just the engine being loud or maybe bad gas, but this sound is your engine telling you it's slowly destroying itself. What's happening is called detonation or pre-ignition. Normally, the spark plug ignites the fuel at exactly the right moment. Controlled explosion powers the piston down. But when detonation happens, the fuel ignites too early or in multiple spots at once, creating shock waves inside the cylinder. Those shock waves are the knocking sound you hear, and they're hammering your pistons, your cylinder walls, your bearings. Over time, this causes serious internal damage, holes in pistons, scored cylinder walls, complete engine failure. The causes? Low-quality fuel, carbon buildup, bad knock sensor, wrong timing, overheating. If you hear knocking, don't just keep driving. Try higher octane fuel first. If it continues, get the engine checked immediately. This is the sound of your engine dying. Take it seriously. Sound number 8, a chirping sound from the engine bay. Different from the squealing at startup we talked about earlier, this one is more rhythmic, Chirp, 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 almost like a bird, and it might happen all the time, not just when you start the car. Usually, this is a pulley bearing going bad. Your belt system has several pulleys, idler pulleys, tensioner pulleys, and each one has a bearing inside. When those bearings wear out, they chirp. Now here's a trick. If you have a mechanic's stethoscope or even a long screwdriver, you can touch it to each pulley while the engine runs and listen for the bad one. Actually, be very careful doing this. Keep loose clothing and hands away from moving parts. Better yet, just have a mechanic check it. The fix is usually cheap, $20 to $50 for a new pulley, plus maybe an hour of labor. But if you ignore it, the pulley can seize, snap your belt, and leave you stranded. Catch it early while it's just a chirp. Sound number 9, a whining noise or groaning when you turn the steering wheel. You're parking, making a tight turn, and you hear "whirr" from somewhere under the hood.